Hi, this is Shay Veronica, and this is day 8 of my 1 meal a day dietary plan. It's a habit, it's a lifestyle. I'm going to have everything cucumbers today. I have I have a whole field of cucumbers, and I'm not going to let them go to waste. I am going to have cucumber drink. I'm going to put them in my blender, and I'm going to juice them with my juicer, and I'm going to juice them with lemons. That is going to be my meal today. Lemons and cucumber juices, because I ate a steak yesterday. I had a hamburger the day before, and I just need to clean myself out. It is just the way I think about my body. It's just the way I think about life. You give and you get, you take and you give. So today I'm taking away all of that red meat that I put in my body. I want it flushed out, and I am going to have cucumber and lemon juices until I feel as though my bowel movements are nice and clean, that I've cleaned myself out. So maybe today and tomorrow I may have to do this particular regime. I'm going to be just drinking lemon, a whole lot of lemon I put with my cucumbers. So I'm going to have that to flush myself out and to clean my internal chamber, my internal temple. I want it washed clean, just like how you wake up and you shower, you brush your teeth and you take care of your hair, whatever. I try to keep the inside of who I am clean. So that is what I'm having today. That is day 8. It is going to be cucumbers and lemon, and I'm going to juice them, and I'll drink that throughout the day. There's no limit. I'll drink it throughout the day, and probably take a juice up to bed with me when I retire to bed. I'll have it and I'll sip on it throughout the evening and the night and whatever. But that is what I'm going to have throughout the day, no limits. So my diet today is cucumbers and lemon. Shay Veronica.